After installing Canon Camera Connect app and then connecting your Canon camera with your iPhone via Wi-Fi, now you could open the Canon Camera app. From Home tab, select Import Images. This will show all the photos and videos in your Canon camera. I've got only one. Select the one you want to download and then tap on Import. To be able to import photos and videos, you can't give a limit access. Instead, you should give full access. So tap on it and then once again tap on Import. Here are a few image saving settings to change. If you don't want to reduce your image quality, then turn off the toggle for JPEG format save size. Next, RAW format retains a lot of your image data, so check prioritize saving in RAW format. And finally, turn off the toggle for delete location information to keep your location data. Tap on OK. Now it will start saving your photos and videos. Once it's finished, go to the Photos app and here you can find the imported photos and videos. If you're having trouble connecting your camera to your phone, watch my other videos on the screen.